Okay, folks, here we are. The company's in here, and they're working on Stacia's building, which everybody knows is the TV repair shop or the dentist office. He's already got part of the side tore out of it. They got a late start this morning, but this is what we've been waiting for. Look at all them concrete blocks. That's what I like to see, folks. That's what I like to see. Okay, folks, this might be a long video, because I'm going to watch and video as much of this as I can. There goes the structure into the ceiling, or into the attic space. They're trying to pull everything this way towards Danny's just so they don't drop anything on my house. So we'll see what happens and see how it goes. We're hoping and praying that they don't drop anything on our house. But sent the wife and the baby over to the deli so they're safe. We're going to take a pause here and we'll come back to you here in a minute.
Trying to come this way is
it's good. I just checked it. Okay, looking at things here. The roof is bowing pretty good on this side. He's still trying to knock the blocks out on this side so it comes this way. But you can see all the way through into the roof trusses. So hopefully when he grabs this corner of or this edge of the roof, he can pull everything this way. Here comes the roof. Okay, folks, the thing that they didn't want to happen is happening. It's bowed out here towards my yard. So they're going to try to come over to this side, get on the roof line of it, and push it in. Just like that. But that's all right. A little bit at the front won't bother me. Now that bothers me! Okay, folks, well, the worst kind of happened. It fell on our property. It destroyed our kitchen porch. It busted our screen door and the awning over it. It put 2 holes in our siding, and it ripped up some of our underpinning. But there is no internal damage from what I've been able to see when I went in and looked at things. It would have scared the daylights out of my wife and out of the nugget. Now, the poor kitten, she's hiding someplace. I couldn't find her when I went in to look around. So we'll just take that as a lesson. These guys did the best they could. Messed up my tomato plants, but you know what? They can be replaced. And they were actually starting to die off anyway. So these guys will we'll fix the house. Everything, a lot of it fell out here onto the road. And again, they're doing the best they can. And the owner of the company is the one actually in the equipment today. And he's one of the best operators that they got. He did as good a job as he could. Okay, folks. We'll get off here for now. Okay, folks. Pardon the noise. They're still working next door. You see them right there working. I'll show you over here what the damage is. It's not too bad. We got a little hole in our siding here. Again, no structural damage inside. We got a hole in the siding there. Again, nothing too bad. Our kitchen door got messed up. Again, not too bad. The awning over the door in our porch took a good beating, but again, we don't use that porch very often. And we got some of our underpinning. It didn't knock us off our foundations or anything. Didn't hurt anything besides those couple items. I went inside and looked a little bit ago after this happened. There was no drywall damage and other damage like that inside. So they will take care of this. They are going to fix this. And when they get to that, get some footage of that too. So continue to follow our YouTube. Follow us, like us, and hit that notification bell so you see what's going on. We'll be sharing pictures and videos of what's going on in town with this stuff. And we're going to try to share some on Facebook too. So if you're on Facebook, you're on YouTube, wherever, you'll see a lot of this footage. We thank you, folks, and continue to follow us and join us for this walk down destruction of Garrett.